Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be looking at what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the 64GB space gray iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you guys didn't see the unboxing of it that I did, it is a couple videos back. So first things first, the case I'm using right now is the Rinky. I forget the exact name of this case. It is, I want to say the Fusion X if I remember correctly, but it is a Rinky case. They make some pretty good cases. I've been switching between that and a couple spec cases, the spec Clearview and the spec Presidio Grip. Those are my top three cases right now. I do have some more cases to review, and I may pick up an OtterBox Defender and an Apple silicone case as well. Haven't decided on those yet because I like these right now, so no need to switch. I do have a screen protector on my phone, and the screen protector I'm using is the Spigen Glaster, however you're going to say that, Glastr. Easy Fit. This is a 2-pack that you can get on Amazon. It comes with the Easy Applicator tray, which, believe me, makes lining it up a breeze. I didn't have any issues lining it up. In fact, this is the tray right here. You just flip the tray over the phone, and it basically lines everything up. You push down the middle, and the glass just adheres. I did have an issue with the first one, not the screen protector's fault. I did have 2 specks of dust on the bottom that I missed with the dust removal stickers. So that did create 2 bubbles down there. But again, it was a 2-pack, so I went ahead and replaced that. I got the 2-pack for $11 on Amazon, so I went ahead and ordered 2 more just so I have some spares. I found that putting a screen protector on your phone when it's brand new just makes things a lot easier. You don't have any scratches on the screen, you don't have any fingerprints on the screen, no dust, stuff like that, so it's a lot easier to do. So that is what's physically on my phone protecting it right now. Now, as far as apps, on the first page right here, I've pretty much limited this to the Apple apps with a few exceptions. So we have Mail, Calendar, Photos, Camera, Clock, Maps, just basically your Apple apps right there in the order they come in. I set this phone up as new. The only folders I have on this screen are a Home folder, which has the Home app, Honeywell for my thermostats, Arlo for my cameras, and VE Sync, which is for a Wi-Fi outlet that I have. That is that. Right here in this folder we have Weather, we have the Apple Weather, AccuWeather, and Weather Channel. So that's the only apps right there that are not the Apple apps on the first page. Down here in my dock I have Phone, Messages, YouTube, and Twitter because I'm commonly using that stuff no matter where I am. I'm switching back and forth between those apps. So if I close an app and I'm on this page, I can just go right to those. We have Shortcuts, Apple app, Watch, Utilities. Everything in here is just the Apple stuff. This is the Apple stuff that's preloaded, but I don't really use it. But I keep it on the phone because I use it from time to time. It's just rare stuff like iTunes Store, Contacts, Files, Find My, stuff like that. Apple Store app, shop for cases and accessories and stuff like that there. YouTube Studio, so I can see how my videos are doing and reply to comments. Tap-a-Talk, which is a form app. I've been following the iPhone 11 thread on Mac Rumors on there for the pre-order thread. That's the app I use to do that. Right here we have food and drink, so I have Postmates, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Finance. We have my banking app, Discover, Chase, PayPal, just banking and finance apps, Credit Karma, Geico for my car insurance, Robe, which is for my dash cam. I can view videos on there, T-Mobile, Dexcom, which is a blood glucose monitoring app. Right here we have my shopping apps that I have right now, Best Buy, Target, eBay, and Amazon. And last but not least, Kronos, which is what my work uses for scheduling. I can view my schedule and stuff on there. So that's what's on my iPhone right now. I've cleaned it up a lot by doing a clean install this go around, which I'm very happy about. Running very smooth, very happy with the performance on the iPhone 11 Pro. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.